Hi, students, and welcome to day 4 of our Unit 10 in shared reading. When we read Power Restored in India a few days ago, we explained how an author uses reasons and evidence in the objective view to support points in a text. It referenced opinions of others, but not the author's. Today, we'll examine a text written from a subjective point of view, which expresses the author's opinion on a topic and presents reasons and evidence to support that opinion. We're going to reread certain paragraphs in Benjamin Franklin, The Dawn of Electrical Technology, and mark places where we find statements of opinion or belief. Then, we'll note the reasons and evidence the author provides to support those points. First, we'll look at paragraph 1.
Benjamin Franklin was one of the most influential thinkers of the 18th century. He was one of our country's founding fathers who helped to draft the Declaration of Independence and the United States Constitution. But he was also an inventor and scientist. He made some of the most important contributions to the history of science.
All right. So, an opinion that the author gives in this text, in this paragraph, is that Benjamin Franklin was one of the most influential thinkers of the 18th century. Now, we need to find some supporting evidence for this. We can say that he was one of our country's founding fathers. He also helped to draft the Declaration of Independence and the United States Constitution. He was an inventor and scientist, and he made some of the most important contributions to the history of science. What this tells me is that people who knew about science and government in Franklin's day were aware of his accomplishments and work. All right. Now we're going to reread paragraph 11. Let me just get rid of this. There we go. All right.
Discovering electricity.
Franklin was a curious and intelligent man. He helped to form the first public library and the first fire department in Pennsylvania. Franklin also helped to write the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. Franklin accomplished many great things, but he was most famous around the world as the man who discovered the nature of lightning.
All right, so the opinion that the author gives here is that Franklin was a curious and intelligent man. So we want to figure out, why was he an intelligent and curious man? So what we're going to do is find some evidence to prove that. I can see that he was curious and intelligent because he helped to form the first public library and fire department in Pennsylvania. He helped to write the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. And he was known as the man who discovered the nature of lightning. So I'm going to say that this author supports his opinion, or her opinion, I apologize, by saying Franklin's achievements suggest that he valued learning, experimenting with new ideas, and using his talents to benefit the needs of society. All right, your turn now to go into our presentation for today and fill the chart in for the author's point of view, for her opinions, and how she uses reasons and evidence to support it.